Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys several several ways to open Windows Explorer on Windows 11. I don't know why you're coming to this video, but actually it's very easy to do, and perhaps you are very new to open your computer or anything. But by the way, this is the tutorial. What you have to do, the first one, you right click on the Windows icon here, the start icon, and then wait, I move the keyboard, right click, and then here the option of File Explorer. Now the File Explorer already open. I will close it for you. I'm continuing into the second method. What you have to do, you click run here, and then you just type in Explorer and then press OK. Now I already opened my Windows Explorer, and then the last method, which is I'm usually every second when I'm using my computer, my Windows, just press Windows, hold it, and then press E on your keyboard. This is the fastest way and the easiest way to open Windows Explorer on Windows 11. Okay, that's it guys. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.